I'm actually going to be showing you this rechargeable oral cleaner. It's actually for plaque and tartar. I mean, pretty much anything to clean your teeth. This is a professional grade. So let's open it up and see what it comes with. You have the actual dental pick itself, a little USB-C charger, a little bag you can put everything in, tools. I believe there are at least 8 different, they do come in this case, and some additional little heads as well. So let's open these up and see what they are. So in the little plastic box right here, they have 6 interchangeable heads that you can use on your pick. And in this plastic case, it comes with all different kind of manual dental tools. Like both of these are for your tongue. You can scrape your tongue with these. And of course you have your little dental mirror, some tweezers here, and then some different size tools to get around the gums and around braces, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get testing this out. As you can see, it's got an LED light here at the head, and that's really nice to be able to see what it is you're doing. I'm starting this on low, and I'm taking my little mirror and pulling my gum back so that I can really get in there at that plaque line. It has a technology in here that when it starts to get close to the gums, it'll automatically stop. Go right there on the tooth itself, right at the gum line. And it does it, and you can hear it. It might be hard for you to see, but I can see I actually have some stuff on. And then I just have a cup of water here that I'm kind of rinsing the end so that when I get something off, I can just rinse it in that cup. I like the fact that it's safe for me to use because it does stop if I'm going on the gum at all. Definitely, again, hard to see there at the end, but there is some stuff coming off. So, and you can gradually increase as you get better at using this. Just at first, be really careful. Start to work a little bit at a time until you get used to it. And with some of your other tools too, you clean your teeth. I do have a permanent retainer right inside of there that I'm really hoping to get in there with this and be able to get in between there. For braces or retainers, crowns, that kind of stuff, those hard to reach places. Again, as soon as it hits my gum tissue, it stops automatically. Listen. There, that's on my tooth. And as soon as I hit my gum, it automatically stops. I really wasn't sure if I was gonna like doing this myself or not, but honestly, it's actually kind of rewarding to get in there and see some of the stuff I'm removing. And I'm just holding it like I would a pencil, and that seems to work really well for me. I really like it. I could see me using this quite a bit. It does charge fully in 2 hours. This would be great if this would help remove coffee stains, smoke stains. Like I said, great for crowns, great for braces, retainers. There's just so many different things that just gets in there and just helps with your overall oral care. So if you have a family, you guys could definitely share it. And considering it has a bunch of other heads, that's a big plus too. Something you're looking for, it's definitely gentle and it's easy to use. So I hope this video has helped.